Siguro, it's more of our life. Parang, our life is way different from before, from how it started, how we met before. It's really an roller coaster ride sa amin. Parang sobrang iba. Sobrang nag-iba yung buhay namin. Meron pa palang, there's more into life nung naging kami. I think she's the one na nakapagpa-realize sa akin na hindi pwedeng okay na to. Kaya right now we're striving for better life in the future, which is not just for us, parang in a way nagpaplano rin kami for the future family. Ayun. Actually, para hindi ko masyadong isipin, kumuha pa ako ng event. Kumuha pa ako ng booking na isa. Maliit na booking lang para lang medyo di kami masyadong magkasama. Para hindi ako masyadong mahalata kasi kanina pa lang medyo tense ako. Yung meron kaming random date nights na casual lang, meron date nights na medyo pinag-prepare na. Which is, yun yung nangyari ngayon. Since birthday namin this July, 22 sa kanya, 26 sa akin. Tapos monthsary namin 24. Sige, mag-iis tayo. Parang gano'n. And then yun, parang in a way, minamanipulate ko siya in a way na, sige, magpa-nails ka, sige, mag-ayos ka, ganyan, magpa-makeup ka. It's exciting and scary at the same time, pero yun nga, it's a once in a lifetime experience na masaya.
Although may mga date nights kami na special, kaya hindi ko na talaga siya in-expect na baka mag-propose, gano'n. Tsaka siguro nakakatawa kasi akala ko magma-Marriott kami, kaya yung may pa-makeup pa. Tapos nung nasabi niya dito, bakit dito, sabi ko. Pero wala pa rin akong clue, syempre.
This is it. Dali, baka wala yung sigsig. Well, sorry love kung medyo dodgy ako this past few days. Marami akong iniiwasan. Natanong mo na usapan natin. You'll understand. I know you'll understand. Let's do this. Yeah. Basta, okay na yan. Sa mga staff, ang big problema kayo?
Ha?
May problema kayo? Cute, no? In fairness. Galing, no? Pwede kang mamili, no? Parang... Gusto mo picture? Ito, may nagpipicture. Pa-picture tayo. Ito, pa-picture tayo. Tara. Parang naman. Tara. Kuis, pwede mo picture? Ay, uy.
Ready?
Naya ka na?
Oo
Ako din.
Ba't ang dami ka?
Hindi ko, baka mo picture. I've known you for more than 4 years na. Naging best friends tayo. Naging partner tayo. And you've become my one true love. Love. I just want to promise you that I'll always be here for you. To encourage you. To support you. To guide you always. Para sa adventure na.
Magsamahabang buhay.
Love.
Nagsumpaan
Bigyan mo yun.
sa may kapal, walang iwanan, taginit o tagulan.
Umiyak na.
haharapin
Wala na idea.
bawat unos na daan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin,
Wala ito bibiro.
kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin sa mundo.
Love.
Wala
Yan, hindi na kita girlfriend, fiancé na kita. Well, I just wanna say na thank you. Thank you for being there. Thank you for yun nga, making me a better person, a better man. And thank you for making me realize na life is just not it was just not the one that I know before or I knew before. There's more to life, and you made me realize that, and you made me conquer it, or parang tinahak natin, or we've been through life together, and I'm just glad na nagawa ko lahat yun. I'm just glad na nagawa ko lahat yun, or nagawa natin lahat yun together with you, and hoping for more in the future.
Thank you kasi you made me a better person, and then you finally made me a fiancé. Kaya yun, I love you.
ikaw at ako